never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time.
So we went to the home improvement store yesterday. My little daughter and I went, and we picked up 3 boards that are 2 meters long each. And because I have a very small car right now, we had to cut them. I figured out if I tell them that it's an actual cut that I need, it will cost me 75 cents per cut. But if it's a transportation cut, then it will not cost anything. So I told them, and it's true, my car is too small to bring 2-meter boards anywhere. So I ordered 3 transportation cuts. They were not suspicious when I gave them exact measurements for my transportation cuts, so it worked out. I'm good. So they cut my boards into 120 and 80. So currently it's August, so I'm attempting to make a fall board. I'm not sure if I want to make a Halloween board or a fall themed board. I'm not sure. There are beautiful Halloween boards. Really nice ones with hocus pocus on it, or little witch hats, or there was one that I really liked with a cat that looked a little bit crazy. I don't know yet. On the other hand, if I'm just doing a fall board with some pumpkins on it and stuff, I can use it for September, October, and November, like for all these 3 months. If it's a Halloween board, I can only use it in October. So I will have to do a couple of cuts, and I will have to screw those boards together because that has not happened yet. And then it's basically just painting it.
But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been.
Whoa, be careful.
Okay, so stop. I'm not done yet.
Are you making a mess?
You just wait. So this was probably the most exhausting paint job I've ever did. I have not painted, I have painted with the kids, but they painted their projects. And that means that I can do my project on the side, but this was my project and I want it to look nice because I want to put it in the front of the house. So, and my little one wanted to help me. Anyway, I wanted to show you quickly what I used. I have my collection of acrylic paints from previous projects, and what I used is these 3 colors. What I did, I mean, these are from an Easter set. That's a neon color here, so it's not really optimal. But what I did, I sorted them in a way that we go from very light yellow to a light orange to a neon orange. And this is how I blended them on the board. And this will be the backdrop of the boards. Now we're waiting for the boards to dry, and then I can go in with black and put the silhouettes of the house and maybe a witch or a bat. Let's see. I have to figure out what exactly we're putting on there. And look what a nice evening it is. Look. Sun is shining. You can't even see, it's so bright.
told me there'd be better days, and nothing that can pull us under. You wanna take the pain away, but know that I was born as a fighter. We fade, but we're better than that. We're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Yeah, seems like we're back on stop, but go. I go right and you go left. to do. Did it all for you. Seems like the back goes down the go. I go red and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shedding tears.
Okay, so the very last thing that I have to do is to coat them with some kind of transparent lacquer. I don't know what it's called. It's a coating, and because I will have them outside, I think that's a very important step. So this is it then.